Okay, it is April 2nd, Thursday. We're still on the topic of functions in general, symmetry of functions, odd, even, symmetric about the origin, symmetric about the x or the y-axis, and we have done transformations, at least briefly reviewed them. All right, here's a problem, which is on page 189, number 18. The question is this following function symmetric with regard to the origin? 3x squared is equal to 4y minus 2x plus 6. Well, the first question is what a function of what? Well, we only have one y and everything else is in x's. So let's isolate the y as a function of x. So we get 4y equals 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. Divide through by 4, we get 3/4 x squared plus 2 over 4, 1/2 x minus 6 over 4, or 3 over 2. Now to check symmetry about the origin, we need the function to be an odd function, meaning y of minus x would have to be equal to y of x. Well, is that the case? Well, I'm going to take the y function from here. I'm going to plug in minus x. Y of minus x is equal to 3 over 4 minus x quantity squared plus 1 over 2 times minus x minus 6 over 4, which is equal to 3 over 4x squared, because the minus goes away because you're squaring, minus x over 2 minus 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. So we would need that to be equal to y of x, but y of x is equal to this. 3 over 4x squared plus 1/2 x minus 6 over 4, 3 over 2. But these are not equal. I think you can see just from looking at them, there's a minus, a plus, and a minus. Really, it is only the plus or minus part in front of the x term that makes it not equal. And to show you this, if we graph this, I put the two functions and I'm going to graph them together. And you can see that they're both parabolas, as it should be, but they are misplaced by 1. The red is the blue shifted to the left by, well, it looks like 1, but may not be quite be 1. You'd have to work it out. So since these two functions are not equal, you cannot have symmetry around the origin. And as a matter of fact, do either of these have symmetry around the origin? It looks like this is kind of shifted and this is kind of shifted to the left, so there, what happens over here is not the same as what happens over here. Quiz on Friday. For your homework, do numbers 15, 16, and 17. Here they are. I'll make a photo of them and send them out to you. Thank you and good night.